Alright, it's April 11th at 6:42. Just drove from work to home and once again parked in the driveway, and judging by the fact the transmission temperature hasn't changed to coolant temperature, it should be at 210. It is not. It is showing at 163, which is the transmission temperature. The park neutral interlock hasn't engaged. I will switch the engine off. I will try to restart the engine. And it will not start. Not starting. $165 park. Not starting. So I'm going to take the brake off and roll it back a bit. Hopefully this will go a little quicker than it did the last few days. Oh, there it goes. That was nice and quick this time around. So I will go, as you can see, it's now showing 215, which is the coolant temperature. Put that back to trans temp, and I will start the Jeep. And the Jeep started as expected because the interlock hasn't closed.